Nothing too wild or extra, okay? Because the point is to make people think we don't have any makeup on. But really we do, because we're so deceiving creatures. Just kidding. Today I'm gonna do my makeup really quickly and get ready for you guys. So let's get started. So I put on some lashes really quickly off camera. Are the Adele Deluxe. Let's see. Basically, I'm not really in the mood to do a whole, like, my whole face. I'm gonna do the makeup, no makeup look. And I got a little bit of wine right here. I know it looks so ugly not in a wine cup, but it is what it is. Sipping on some wine, you know, just a little bit. So this, I like semi-sweet or bitter wine, and I love red wine. I like white wine too though. I just have to be in the mood for it. But anyways, so my makeup bag is right here. So I'm gonna do the makeup, no makeup look, okay? So literally it's like 4 steps. This is like, you wanna look put together, but you don't want to have obviously a bunch of makeup on your face. The lashes are just like, just because I feel like wearing lashes today. I don't know, I'm just in that mood. So disregard that, because usually I wouldn't wear lashes unless I have extensions. So just pretend I have extensions on. So we're gonna go in with, you guys already know. So before I go ahead and put on my makeup, I usually like spray this on my face, but I already did that. So yeah, I'll spray it all over my face. And then I'm gonna conceal. So basically you're just gonna conceal, like me, my face, it's not like entirely white. I have like little spots that are like red. So we're gonna go ahead and conceal those areas. So once you do that, then you're gonna go in. So basically you just kind of want to have a clean little face. You just woke up. You see, you can't really tell. You can't really tell too much that I have. I know it looks crazy through the camera, but in real life you can't really see it. It's just little, like a little cover up, really a quick little cover up, you know what I mean? Nothing too wild or extra, okay? Because the point is to make people think we don't have any makeup on. But really we do, because we're so deceiving creatures. Just kidding. Alright, so next, my ear itches. So I'm gonna grab this little brush and I'm just gonna, oops, I didn't show you guys. The pearl. So we're gonna go ahead and go in the little, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Bring some color. I put some on my nose sometimes. Just because it looks very like realistic. Splash of life. And then, so I don't do my brows. I just comb them, because the point is, if you do your brows, I mean, you can do them, but it's not gonna look natural, you know. So I literally just comb them out, you know, and just make sure they look presentable, you know. That's it. And then, is that all? No, I do one more thing. I add a little bit of highlight, just some glow to the face, because we don't want to look like we're deprived from life or whatever. I don't know. Alright, so we're just gonna add a little touch of that. I'm gonna go back with this palette. In the middle, it's like, there's literally nothing left. Like, I don't even know why I keep on. Like, literally, there's nothing. Just a little bit, not too much, because you don't want to. Just a little bit. On the brown a little bit, you know. Nothing too crazy. Literally takes you 5 minutes and you're out the door and you look presentable, not like you didn't sleep. Right, you see it looks good. And then for the last part, I just add some chapstick or lip gloss. So my chapstick is literally in my bag. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Whoa. So I use this chapstick right here. It's the Jack. I don't know what it's called. Just like it's like fading out. I got this in Sephora in the men's section. Because of course, why would I be in the men's section? I have to like squeeze it, but then I don't want to squeeze too much. I literally just moisturize my lips because you don't want to be with some chappy ass lips. That's not cute. Like, do you need a glass of do you need a glass of water? You look hella dry, bruh. So this is my makeup no makeup look. There's levels. This is like the most basic version, but there's levels. Like you can put like a little bit of eyeshadow like on the, what is that called? This part of your eye, like right under your I don't know, whatever. But you could add a little bit, or like sometimes I'll put like contour a little bit. But for the most part, this is me like trying to look cute out the door 5 minutes, you know, nothing crazy. And yeah, like I always say in all the videos, because we're quarantined, I'm not going anywhere, guys. I just literally do these videos for you, and I hope you guys enjoy them. And you guys have been requesting videos, which I love, because it's like, yes, tell me what you want, you know. I don't want to do videos and you guys are not enjoying my videos, you know. I want to do stuff that you guys enjoy. That's why I always make polls on Instagram and ask questions, or like leave comments below. For some reason on my last video you guys were not able to comment. I have to fix that. I'm not sure why. Yeah, but yeah, I like feedback. It helps me a lot. Like, you know, it's not as easy as you guys think. It's not. I wish it was, but it's not. So yeah, I hope everybody's doing good. Staying safe and just still being careful. I know the weather's hot, everyone's out, but we still are dealing with this virus and we still need to take care of ourselves. Says no one drinking wine. No, I don't really drink like that. It's weird, but being stuck at home actually makes me not want to drink. Like I'll drink like once in a blue, but I don't know, it's like I want to eat healthy. I've been taking sea moss and elderberry. My elderberry is right here. I ran out of sea moss. I have to reorder. Yeah, I take things for my immune system. I eat really healthy. I've been fasting a lot of water. I always have water with me. I'm not even kidding, guys. Like, take care. Health is wealth. I'm gonna let you guys go. This is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.